Sports, like any other sector, is not immune from the far-reaching impacts of climate change, air pollution, or biodiversity loss. Through Sports for Nature, we want to work with the sports community to explore together innovative ways to integrate nature and climate action in the world of sports.
Sport embodies a universal drive for success, discipline, and courage.
Combining sport and respect for nature for me is not only evident, but an essential responsibility to assume.
Sportsmen and sportswomen, especially those of us who use these very, very precious spaces, have a duty to stand up and to protect them.
This is about protecting biodiversity. It's about stabilizing the climate. It's about dealing with pollution. It's an ambitious plan, and it calls for all of us to be involved.
The United Nations recognize sport as a key enabler for sustainable development. It's not about making big commitments, it's about actually delivering.
From the grandest stadiums to our local parks, sports unite us in passion and spirit. To every athlete, organization, and fan, please join us.